Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Joshua. So today we are going to see about electronic items, where we want to buy electronic items like mobile phones or laptops. So where we want to buy it, whether in India or in UK. So that's what we are going to see today in this video. So let's get into the video. In this video, we'll mainly see about mobile phones and laptops, other products like hair dryers, blenders, grinder, hair straightener, or any other electronic products or any other accessories you can buy in UK, because you don't have to like load up your luggage with all these items. You can buy that in UK. There won't be a much price difference than in India. You will also get good brands in UK for these items. So the main websites for buying mobile phones and laptops or any electronic items are mainly Amazon UK, Currys PC, Carphone Warehouse, Argos. So these are the four main websites where you can check for mobile phones, and for laptops and accessories you can check Currys PC. So if you want to buy monitors for your laptop, or if you want to buy any keypad or mouse, just check in Amazon and Currys PC. So these two give a lot of offers for these kind of accessories. So these are the main websites in UK. So first we'll see about mobile phones. Let's take normal mobile phones like iPhone XR, 64 GB. So if you see in India, in Amazon, it costs around 52,500 rupees, and in Flipkart also it's around 52,500 rupees. But if you see in UK, it costs around £619 in Amazon, which is equal to 58,800, and in Currys PC, it is around £629, which is 59,755, and in Carphone Warehouse and Argos also it's around 59,755 rupees, which is like 7,000 rupees difference is there, guys. This is for iPhone XR 64 GB. Next we will see it Samsung S10 128 GB. So in India, in Amazon, you can get it for 50,000 rupees, and in Flipkart you can get that for 43,000 rupees. But if you check in UK, in Amazon, it costs around 52,155 rupees, and in Currys PC, it costs around 52,155 rupees, and also in Argos, it costs around 52,155 rupees. So you can see that even in this, there is a difference of around 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. The another big phone which is coming now is OnePlus 8 Pro, which is 12 GB RAM and 256 GB space. So if you check in India, in OnePlus website, it is 55,000 rupees. But if you check in UK OnePlus website, it is 75,905 rupees. There is around 20,000 rupees difference. I don't know why this much difference, because I checked in both websites, the same 12 GB RAM, 256 GB cost like 55,000 in India and 75,000 in UK. I don't know why this much cost difference, but that's the situation. So always for mobile phones, I will recommend you to buy it in India, because you will get for like 7,000 or 8,000 pounds less than in UK. So always buy your mobile phones in India. All the mobile phones that I'm talking about UK is SIM-free mobile phones. So in UK there is another thing called as contract. If you are going for that contract, you should be there in UK for more than 3 years. They will ask your address proof, so you can't go for contract thing. So contract is basically you tie up with some SIM companies like EE, O2 or Vodafone in UK. So you have to pay them monthly like £50 or £60 based on the mobile which you buy. and what they do is like they give you 20 GB of internet and free calls, and you don't have to pay anything for your mobile. So it's basically you will get for 2 years contract, and for like 60 pounds or 50 pounds per month you will get for 2 years, and you don't have to pay anything for your mobile. It's just like it's like a contract that you have in US, where they have the same, like if you pay monthly like $100 or $80, you will get a phone and a SIM. You don't have to pay anything else. So that's the same, but we like if you're new to UK, you are not eligible for that. You have to be in UK for at least 3 years to get into this contracting. So next we will look at the laptops. I will compare two laptops. One is HP Envy i5, 8 GB RAM, 256 SSD, 13.3 inch FHD screen. So in India it costs around, in Amazon it is 80,000 rupees, and in Flipkart it is 77,000 rupees. And if you check in UK, in Amazon it is 75,905 rupees, and in Currys PC it is 66,405. In Currys PC, this is like a limited edition offer. They are in Currys PC is mainly for electronic items like mobile phones and laptops. They give very good discounts, and they usually put this limited offer in their website. And also in UK you will have this thing called Black Friday and Cyber Monday, which will come on the last weekend of November. So if your last weekend, let's say 27th is the last Sunday of November, then you will have like the 25th Friday you will have the Black Friday, and the 28th the Monday of November you will have the Cyber Monday. So on these 2 days they will have huge discounts on all the electronic items, so you can buy at that time. You can also buy normal times. Currys PC will have a lot of limited offers, so at that time you can buy. So this is one of the limited offer, so which is like around 10,000 rupees difference is there between India and UK. And if you look at Lenovo Yoga S90 i7, 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD and 14 inch screen. So in Amazon it is 2 lakh rupees in India, and in UK if you check it's around 1,76,000 rupees. So if you're going for like higher ends like this one, there is around like 30,000 rupees difference between India and UK. So as a summary, I'm saying for mobile phones, always buy in India. You will get cheaper rates in India, like you will have 60,000 rupees minimum difference between UK and India. But for laptops, you always check in Currys PC and Amazon UK. So you will get a lot of discounts in that, and you can buy cheaper laptops in UK. So for laptop it is UK, and for mobile phones it's in India. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you want to know about any other electronic items, or if you want to know about any other products, just go to their Currys PC website or Argos website or Amazon UK, and you can find the rates of that. Or if you want to know anything else, you just put it in the comment. I will give you a suggestion. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon, so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you, guys.